Hey guys, I got a bit of a problem here, and just reaching out to you guys to see if you have any idea what I'm dealing with. We got a bit of a misfire here. This is my 2008 Chevy Silverado. It's got a 4.8 liter in it. It's got new plugs in it, new injectors. Inside here has a rough idle. You rev it up, runs okay, shakes a lot, so that could be because of the misfire. You put it into gear, it nearly dies.